and finally they got us.
You guys took a hit.
Yeah, they hit into our fire room, one shell,
Wow.
and went off, made a hole as big as that window. And so we had to go into dry dock then.
Where'd you go back for dry dock
Yeah,
repairs?
we had to go back to. Oh, I want to tell a little story before that.
Yeah, please.
Brother Warren's ship was there too. He was on the cruiser, a light cruiser, the Honolulu. They call it the Blue Goose. And
He was in your same formation?
yeah.
Okay.
And so they didn't get to go with us the time we got hit. So when we come back into port, them guys are just hard, you know. And then we got over that, and I got to see him then.
Now, how did you guys link up? How did you know that he was on the other ship? How did that all come together?
Well, they'd be already docked, you know. And then we'd just come alongside, well, probably from here to the fence out there. And that's as close as we got to them. And, well, they're all gone now.
Yeah.
And
And you were able to jump over to his ship and get together, or were you just waved from a...
we just waved.
Is that right?
And then he did come over to my ship
Okay.
the next day.
Okay.
And we had dinner together.
Oh, that must have been something.
And my brother-in-law, he come too. So all three of us did.
He was on a different ship as well, or...
Well, he was in the Army. And he was over on the shore, and he did the landing the day before, you know,
Jeez.
2 days before. And he lucked out, you know. He